Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R650xs. In this video we're going to specifically focus on network cards. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R650xs. Do us a favor if you find anything that helps you in this video. Click that like, smash that subscribe, or else hop in. This video is going to be specifically dedicated to network cards. So here's what we're going to do in the video. First off, we're going to show you the different types of compatible form factors, which there are two. Then we're going to show you the different interfaces. Then we're going to go over all the speeds, and then we're going to show you at the very end a compatibility chart of basically the network cards that work. And if you find something that isn't on our chart, drop a comment down below. I'm sure the other users would like to know it, because our chart's going to be a mixture of stuff we tested plus what's on Dell's technical guide that's approved. And we're going to show you how to install both types of cards. So yeah, there's going to be a lot going on in this video. Let's hop into the fun stuff. All right, let's start with the compatible types of cards. So first off, you're going to have an OCP 3.0, and you're going to have a standard PCIe card. And for the PCIe cards, you're going to have 3 PCIe slots. One is going to be high profile and 2 are going to be low profile. And you can put in, if you wanted, technically 3 PCIes and 1 OCP. There's no limit to the network cards outside of course the limitation of the slots, but you can fill up all your slots and put in as many network cards as you want according to the slots. Also, an important note, there are going to be 2 onboard 1 gigabit RJ45 plus, of course, a dedicated port for your iDRAC. So what are your compatible interfaces? Well, this is some of the reasons we do this video. According to Dell's spec sheet, RJ45, which is just another way of saying Ethernet, SFP, SFP plus, SFP28, all work. Those are great. But again, Dell's spec sheet only shows what they originally tested when this box was released, which is now 2 gens old, and by the time you watch this might be 3, 4, 5 gens old. So what else is compatible? Well, QSFP, QSFP plus, QSFP 28, QSFP 56, Fiber Channel. There's a lot of other options that work just great, and they're not on Dell's spec sheet while we make these videos. What speeds are compatible? Well, 1 gigabit, definitely. 10 gigabit? Yeah. 25? Definitely. 50? Certainly. Wait, what about 40? Yeah. 100? 2 thumbs up. What about 200? Yes. 200 still works. Yeah, 200 gigabit will still work for an R650xs. What if I'm throwing in Fiber Channel? We're going to have 8, 16, or 32. Those are going to be your speeds. All right, now that we know more about the compatible interfaces, types, speeds, let's show you how to physically install them. But before I do, let me grab my AC gear. I'll be right back.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your network cards via PCIe and your OCP 3.0. So as you can see, we have our materials laid out here. We got our OCP 3.0 NIC and our PCIe network card. So let's go ahead and place these network cards to the side, pop our latch, and lift our top just like any other server you've been in before. So first, let's show you how to install the PCIe network card. We will start by lifting the riser back here by pressing the blue tab and lifting straight up. When you flip it over, you will see the PCIe slot right here. So you want to make sure that the leads on the card match up with this PCIe slot, so that way you don't damage it in any way. So let's go ahead and unlock the bracket here in the back by lifting up this black tab. And so now we'll go ahead and grab our PCIe card and then begin slotting it into the riser like so. Being as gentle as possible and ensuring that the leads are matching up, we'll go ahead and push this black tab back down to secure the card in its place. So now all we need to do is set the riser back into its slot. That is how you install your PCIe network card. So now we'll go ahead and show you how to install your OCP 3.0 NIC. The OCP slot is actually underneath the riser. So we'll go ahead and lift our riser once more by pressing the blue button and lifting straight up. There is a blue lever on the right side of the OCP slot here. So go ahead and lift that lever up so that way we can get the slot ready for the NIC. So there is a filler here, so all we got to do is push down on this side and simply slide it out of the slot. Now go ahead and grab your OCP 3.0 NIC and make sure that the ports are facing the back, and then slide that card into the OCP 3.0 slot. Then when you slide it in, just make sure that it goes all the way in, and then once you have fully slotted it, go ahead and press down that blue lever. Alright, so now all you gotta do is slot the riser back into its spot above the OCP 3.0 card, and there you go, you've done it. You've installed your network card via PCIe and OCP 3.0 for your Dell PowerEdge R650xs server. Do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.